Hi, yes. The next topic, Vygotsky and languages 6 stages. Paper 1, CTET. Vygotsky and language is believed that language develops from the social interaction. Vygotsky viewed language as man's greatest tool, a means of communicating with the outside the world. Language. Thought and language are instantly separate system from the beginning of life, merging and around 3 years of age. At this point, speech that thought become interdependent. This is 3 types: social speech, which external communication used to talk to others. Age of 2. Private speech. 3 forms of languages. First one, social, private, silent, inner speech. Social is external communicating using to talk to others from age to 2. Private is the from age to 3, which are directed to the self and service and intellectual function. Third one, silent, inner speech. Finally, private speech goes underground dimension in audibility, and it talks on the self-regulating function and is transformed into silent inner speech from age to 7. Vygotsky theorem also feed the current interact in the collaborative learning, suggesting the group members should have different levels of ability. So more advanced peer can help less advanced member operate within their ZPD. Relevant to instructional concepts such as scaffolding, which a teacher or more advanced peer helps to structure or arrange the task so that the novice can work on it successfully. Classroom practice of Vygotsky. First one, social, historical, culture, head relation, ideation, thought and language, social interaction with others, ZPD and scaffolding instructions. Critical evaluation. The main criticism of Vygotsky works in concern the assumption that relevant to all cultures. Indeed, in some instances, observation and practice may be more effective ways of the learning certain skills. Question answers, notes completed. Which of the following statements described Piaget and Vygotsky views in the language and thought correctly? Answer C. According to Piaget, thought emerges first, and according to the Vygotsky, language has profound effect on thought. As a teacher who has the firmly believes in social constructivist theory of the Vygotsky, which of the following methods do you prefer for assessing your children's? Answer, collaborative projects. A. Which one of the following statements best summarizing the relationship between the development and learning as proposed by the Vygotsky? Answer C. Development process lies behind the learning process. Which one of the following statements best summarizes the relationship between the development and learning was proposed by Vygotsky? Answer: development process lags behind the learning process. Answer is B. Development process is lags behind the learning process. Next one. Vygotsky in the children speak to themselves. Answer B. Children use speech to guide their action. Thank you.